Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the popular corn dog nuggets from Casey's Corner found at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. In addition to this, insiders know that one secret to upping the corn dog nugget game is to order them with a side of cheese sauce to dip in. So today I'll show you not only how to make these corn dog nuggets at home, but also how to make an easy, delicious homemade cheese sauce to dip them in. Let's jump right in and bring home some magic. For the batter, start by combining 1 3/4 cup of yellow cornmeal with 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now today, to make these egg-free, I use sourdough discard. This recipe uses 3/4 cup. If you want to use eggs instead, it would be 3 eggs. My wife has been working on a sourdough starter and it's been pretty fun experimenting and trying different sourdough recipes. I'll definitely be sharing some sourdough recipes in the future, so be sure to subscribe and follow along if you're interested in that. Along with the sourdough starter or eggs, add in 1 1/2 cups of milk or buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of honey. Whisk these all together until completely combined, just until there are no more dry spots left. Treat this like a pancake or waffle batter. It's okay if there's some lumps in there. Once the ingredients are combined, set the bowl aside and let the batter rest for at least 10 minutes. If it goes longer, that's okay. While the batter rests, grab a large deep pot and fill it with around 2 quarts of vegetable oil. Heat the oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready for frying. Be sure to keep an eye on this temp, that it doesn't get extremely hot or fall too low either. When you're ready to fry, make sure the batter is the right consistency. It should be thick enough to stick to a spoon but still drip off in clumps. Not too thick and not too liquidy. If it is too thick, you can add in a little bit more milk to thin it out. If it's too thin, just let it sit for a little longer. For the hot dog portion, I used a pack of those little cocktail weenies. You could also take whatever hot dog you prefer and cut them into quarters, but the size of these little weenies works very well for the corn dog nuggets. And it's also super easy and convenient. To batter the hot dogs, first pat them down with a paper towel to dry them. This will help keep the batter from sliding off and let it stick to the hot dog better. To batter them, you can try using a skewer to stick in the hot dog to coat the batter, then gently push off the skewer into the hot oil. Personally, I found this took too long and I just wanted to start doing it by hand. It was more difficult to get the batter to completely coat properly since my fingers were in the way, but I was going for speed. To get the best chance of completely coating them easily, you can use the skewer trick. If anyone else has another technique to do this for battering small nuggets like this, just let me know, I'm all ears. Cook the corn dog nuggets for around 4 to 5 minutes and turn the nuggets using tongs or a mesh ladle as needed to help with even cooking. Once the corn dog nuggets are looking nice and golden brown, carefully remove from the oil and place onto a plate or tray lined with some paper towel to help let excess oil drain off. Repeat for as many corn dogs as you are making and make sure you check the oil temp while frying. Now, if you're like me and enjoy some of the finer things in life, you'll want a cheese sauce to dip those corn dog nuggets into. Here is how to make an exceptional cheese sauce. In a sauce pot, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, add in 1/4 cup of flour. Whisk this until combined and cook for just a couple of minutes. Add in 1 2/3 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and whisk all these together until combined. Finally, add 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated cheddar cheese and half a cup of freshly grated provolone cheese, or half a cup of smoked Gouda cheese works great for this too. Mix this all together until all the cheese is completely melted and you got yourself a delicious cheese sauce, ready for dipping and enjoying. After this, nothing left to do but enjoy some corn dog nuggets. Stack up the nuggets proudly and serve them with the cheese sauce. These corn dog nuggets are excellent. The batter on these is perfectly crisp on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Dip them in the cheese sauce and it takes the nuggets to the next level. My entire family really enjoyed these. Made for a fun special treat. My kids especially kept coming back for more. Does it taste like mac and cheese, Connor? As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making these yourselves and can bring a little Disney magic home. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please consider leaving a like to this video. Also subscribe if you like Disney parks. I make quite a bit of Disney park food in this channel, so follow along and learn more. Thanks again. See you next time.
We're making corn dog nuggets. We're making corn dog nuggets. We're making corn dog nuggets. Yeah. What kind of eating the corn dog nuggets?
Did he like them?
Yeah.